What's up, guys? This your boy Joe. Just want to give a huge shout out to my man Rich. I had a really good conversation with him the other day about zooming to Thailand. He also gave me some tips on what I can do to grow my channel. I'm fired up, man. I'm ready to get out there. I'm ready to have a good time. I'm ready to do my thing, man, if you know what I'm saying. Richie is a very inspirational guy. We got to start chasing our dreams, man. We got to get ourselves out of this matrix because it's just going to drive us crazy, man. It's going to drive us mad. It's going to make us older than what we really are, man. Just grinding yourself in the dust. Chase your dreams, chase your passions. Get out there and zoom to Thailand.
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 Zoom to Thailand. Zoom to Thailand. Hey.
Zoom to Thailand. Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom in Thailand.
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. This motherfucker's crazy. Driving on the wrong side of the street. Damn. Woo, that was close. This dude was driving like a daggone fool in these crowded Bangkok streets. But guess what? We made it safely to our destination. We're doing what's called a neon photo shoot. I found this on Airbnb, thought it would be cool. Neon photo shoot in Bangkok. So when you come to Bangkok, you should try it too. Let's see what happens at the neon photo shoot. I'm about to go get my pictures taken.
It's really fun to see you, man.
Yeah, I'm having
and you're like that in person as well, not just like...
Absolutely, yeah, I'm not
fake. It's really good, man.
Thank you, brother.
Real shit here.
That's right, we're about to get down.
Let's go.
So tell me who you are and what you do.
I'm Barin, and I might not look like I'm Thai, but I'm actually Thai.
You're Thai? I thought you were Indian.
No. My grandparents are Indian.
Got you.
Portrayed in neon, and now I'll show you the space. Come on.
That's what's up.
Let's go.
Ooh, oh shit. We up in this piece. We up in here. Oh yeah, this dude is a real artist. He's not playing around.
Yeah, this is like all motivated by like the aesthetics of Bangkok, you know? Like you see this like photo booth. It's a real photo booth. I actually got it from someone who stole it. He was like an old dude, and I was like, hey, I really like this phone booth, you know. I was like, can I have it? He's like, yeah, it's mine now. I stole it.
Right.
So I got it off him like around like almost $200 or something, $20.
US.
Yeah.
How'd you get it in here?
It took like 10 people to carry this stuff. It was really heavy.
I got $25 cash app. If any of the kids under 25 can tell me what this is and how it works. Under 25, tell me what it is and how it works. Tell me how you dial out on this thing. All the kids under 25.
And like we have a real tuk-tuk here as well.
Ooh, oh shit.
We take it out with all the lights. Like you can check here under here.
Wow. Oh, this is dope.
And like we have a tuk-tuk here. Everything is real except we don't have the engine.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, because you can't ride around in this space.
Yeah, because I don't trust myself when I'm drunk.
Right? Yeah, you think you will be able to drive in here.
I think I like crash into the space.
Right? And there's his weaponry right there. He got that cannon. You know, some people are canon, some people are not canon. I'm a canon person, personally.
Me too, man.
Watergate. Only people from my neighborhood understand that. Gators. I'm finna take you guys around Bangkok, give it to. Y'all ready to go?
This thing out. Shit when I'm been in that block. Ski in that sky. Hit the corner like steam this shit. When I'm
เมื่อกี้มาจากโรบินสันนะคะแล้วก็พี่ตุ๊กไม่ได้อยากตุ๊กเขาอยากถ่ายนั่งตุ๊ก
I like when she talk that Thai talk. I might not understand what she's saying, but I like it.
So like if you come to Bangkok and you're like looking to do something like what others wouldn't be doing, something that's unique, you should definitely go check out the Bangkok Ghost Tower.
Bangkok Ghost Tower?
Yeah, it's like a abandoned 75-story building or something that you can like kind of find your way up there, but you might have to like find your way through. There'll be like YouTube channels telling you about how to get up there and stuff, but it's something adventurous that you can do.
Holy shit. I feel excited. I feel excited. Check it out.
That's it right there. That's where we're staying in Bangkok, directly across the street from the hotel. We just didn't know what it was. You see that little white building? That's us. Check it out from my angle. Shout out to Aaron Shore for that amazing footage because I didn't get a chance to go there, but he did. Follow him on his channel as well. You did.
What is your YouTube channel?
Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand.
Yeah.
Soy 6, yeah?
Yeah.
If you want to have fun, come to Pattaya Soy 6.
Yeah.
Tired of fighting with your girl? Tired of dealing with the same stuck-up women when you go out in the States? Tired of these fake-ass IG models begging for cash apps? Fellas, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to settle. The women in Pattaya outnumber the men 20-1 out here. No matter your age, your race, your height, or even your weight, they don't discriminate. They don't discriminate. Think I'm lying? Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my videos. You got questions? No problem. You balling on a budget? No problem. You scared of rejection? No problem. It's impossible to fail here. Book a consultation, become a Patreon member, make new friends, and join the family of Zoom to Thailand. Your life will never be the same. Zoom Tribe. So I'm here for the Neon Tour, man, and it's so cool, man, the way he got everything hooked up. It's dope. It's like every little room has a theme to it. Everything is like set up in a certain place. This is a dope spot, y'all. We gotta say happy birthday to Noodle. I took Elle on a really nice dinner boat cruise in Bangkok for her birthday. All you can eat, beautiful scenery, entertainment on the boat, all for about $30 per person. For a romantic dinner on an impressive first date, I highly recommend the dinner boat cruise at Asiatic in Bangkok.
I'm addicted. Baby, I'm addicted. Addicted. Bully, I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Nasema I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Baby, I'm addicted. Nami ushaniteka janani. I wanna lick a taste of that honey. Uja nami twende sote kizani. Kama a rap na rumba twachani. Nami siwezi toka cause I'm in. Body fine, smooth, tender like margarine. I wanna feel your body, be your daddy, no need to debate. Nataka niwe ndani, we radhi usininyime. I like it slow and naughty, girl, you got me screwed, you came away. Oh, I'm addicted, baby, I'm addicted. Addicted, really, I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Nasema I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Baby, I'm addicted. Oh my, kutoka na peya na bala. Napiga vile napiga kinyanga. Siyo mara kiga bali masa. I'm gonna do everything it was to please my love. Siyo ni mwingine juu yako. Baby, take it easy now. Can't get enough of your loving. One time, yeah. Can't get enough of your loving. One time, yeah. Can't get enough of your loving. One time, yeah. Can't get enough of your loving.
So let me ask you a question. So you look Indian, but you're Thai, right?
Yeah.
And your grandparents are Indian.
Yeah.
How hard was that growing up? Did they give you a hard time growing up? Did you get discriminated? Any kind of extra drama? Because I've never seen any racism in Thailand, but you actually grew up here.
Oh yeah, there was a lot. There was a lot.
Really?
Yeah, there was a lot. It comes from their curiosity more.
Me and Vareen just finished up. He hooked me up. He hooked my girl up. And trust me, y'all come to Bangkok, y'all got to come do the neon photo shoot. It was worth every dime. You dig? Mr. Talkbox, tell him what to do.
So hit that like, bang that bell, and don't forget to subscribe now. Come on, subscribe now.
Team music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.
Zoom Tribe! First time coming to Thailand, that's who I hooked up with. And let me tell you, Mary was cool. And this one to the left, that's the one I call Chocolate Thai. Y'all gonna see her in the Patreon too, so don't even worry about nothing, cause you know I got y'all. My Patreon members go get it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real. Set loud.
Peace.
All right.
Okay, see you again.